Good morning and welcome to Coastal Living Down Under Australia. Our next video that's coming to you from the sunny coast of Australia is how to make cute little bags of bath salts to give to family members or to make little Christmas packs, which is coming up in one of my other videos. So basically what we're going to do today, we're just going to do a quick little one. It's very easy. We just need some little bags here, which is bathtub tea or salt bags. You just need one of those. We've got some organic rose petals here, and we've also got some magnesium chloride flakes. What we do is we start with a few of the rose petals. I'll just take that off. We'll just make it easier when you're trying to mix them around in the bag if you have some rose petals in the bottom. So we just pour some rose petals into the bag. Just a little bit in the bottom. Leave that there for the next part. Shake them down. And we're going to do the same for the magnesium flakes. Okay. These sound quite interesting when they come out, like glass. So we're just going to pour some of these in, a decent amount so they can get a couple of uses out of it. Okay, there. And then we just put some more rose petals on the top. Okay. Sprinkle them in there. Now you can get clear ones of these if you like. I've gone for the more environmentally friendly version. Okay, all we do is we pull the string. You can see you've got rose petal, salt, rose petal. If you wanted to leave it like that, I mean, it looks beautiful just like that, but what I normally do is I give it a bit of a shake and a jostle, get it to mix in a little bit, mix it around. As you can see, it's starting to mix there. Have a play around with it, just get them to mix around with it, and you really can smell the rose petals. And this makes a lovely little addition to your Christmas packs. Okay, it's even something you can do with your kids. It's fun, it's easy, and they will love it. Don't forget to subscribe because we've got more videos coming your way. See you, bye.